and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've put any videos up. Been on holiday, went to go to Festival of Speed, and then just took some time off to spend with the family. There's lots of stuff going on. Also started a new job as well, so it's been absolutely hectic the last couple of weeks. So I haven't posted. I don't think I've done a review since like June or something like that. So it's been ages. But anyway, enough of that. As you've probably seen from the title of this video, I've bought a new car. I've also put a few sort of teasers up on Instagram and Facebook for you guys to sort of have a guess. So this is my new car. Enjoy. So yeah, here she is. So it's an Audi A4 2-litre turbo special edition. Special edition you get these sort of like DTM wheels. So they did an Audi A4 DTM version which had these wheels and different bits of carbon, etc. But yeah, this car's got the DTM wheels. I think it's got the black tail pipes, S-Line badges. It's basically an S-Line. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, you can just about see it, but yeah, they got black exhaust tips. So it's a B7 model produced between 2005 and 2008, I believe, or 2007, something like that. Finished in brilliant black, which I think looks really, really nice, but an absolute nightmare to clean, or keep clean even. But yeah, so it's sits really nicely. Yeah, pretty chuffed with it. So it's just done just over 80,000 miles. The other thing I forgot to mention is the disc brakes. So the disc brakes are drilled as standard on the special edition, whereas on a normal version of an A4 they're not. So slightly nicer brakes, slightly better stopping power. This one has had some carbon wrap on it. Yeah, believe me, this is not me for a change, because if it was me it would look horrendous. But yeah, so it's had a sort of carbon wrap on it. Not sure if I like it. The problem is I don't know how long it's been on there for, and therefore I don't know what it's hiding underneath either. It might be quite damaged underneath, and obviously if I do peel it off, probably would have faded quite a lot, and obviously I'd have to get the bonnet resprayed. So I don't know what to do at the moment, but I'm just going to leave it as it is for now. I don't mind this, so it looks okay. It's a bit ricery, but it's not too bad. But yeah, my good sticker, as well as my caffeine and machine sticker. Kids are in the back asleep, so I thought it'd take a good opportunity to do this. Interior wise, again, I don't know if you can see that, S-Line basically, S-Line kick plates. Two-tone leather, full leather seats, really nice, really comfortable, actually super clean considering, you know, this car is 13 years old. Really, really clean. Got the S-Line logo on there. It's got the sort of aluminium finish. Dash pieces and around the doors. Hasn't got a sunroof. 6-speed manual. It's the same gearbox as the Golf GTI Mark V. So it's an awesome gearbox. Really notchy, really engaging. Really, really good. Other than that, it's pretty standard to any other sort of Audi A4 B7 that you may have seen. Obviously 5 doors, boot's actually really good. So yeah, very, very cool. So these cars standard special edition has got slightly more power than the standard version. It's got 220 horsepower as opposed to 200 horsepower in the standard version. 200 horsepower being the same as you get in a Mark V GTI. It's the same engine, basically same variant. So it's got slightly more power. Now I believe this car has been remapped apparently, but obviously I say apparently because I've got no paperwork or anything to show, and I've never driven a standard version, so I couldn't tell you whether it has been or not. There's no way of checking, so I'm either going to take on a dyno or something like that to get a good feel for if it is producing that sort of power or not. But yeah. As you can see, it's in really, really good nick. I've had it cleaned. The alloys are a bit curved. As you can see, I don't know if you can see down here, there's a bit curved. They're all a bit sort of curved, so they're not terrible though. You know, there's nothing that can't be repaired. But yeah, it's in really, really good nick. The tyres probably going to need change at some point as well, which I'm aware of. But yeah, other than that, it's in really, really good nick. So that's the sort of initial video walk around of the car. I'm going to be doing a number of different videos. I'm going to be doing like a first drive video as well, and then probably maybe talk about, if you guys are interested, talk about sort of the cost of ownership. Stay tuned for plenty more content to come with this car in particular, as well as, you know, general sort of automotive content as you've seen on the channel. I will be starting up with reviews at some point. I'm also going to be doing some really cool modified car reviews as well. So make sure you check those out when they come out. Got quite a few really cool cars lined up for that. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to follow me and see more. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.